Hello, my name is Dave Berg. If you're building, renovating, or even redesigning a room in your home, here's a question. When the work is done, where does documentation go? Permits, material specs, change orders, warranties, inspection approvals, service invoices. Most homeowners assume the contractor keeps it. That's a mistake. Here's what usually happens. The project finishes, you get a few PDFs, some invoices are in email, some warranty cards are in a drawer, some documents are never sent. Fast forward 2 years. The roof leaks, the AC fails, you refinance, you sell, or you file an insurance claim. Suddenly you're scrambling to prove who did the work, what materials were used, whether permits were pulled, whether warranties are still valid. That scramble is frustrating, stressful, and it costs money. Here's what smart homeowners do differently. They require documentation as part of the project, not as an afterthought, as part of the process. Every contractor should provide permit copies, inspection sign-offs, material specs, warranty documents, change orders, final invoices, before and after photos. And those documents should be uploaded to Real Estate Ledger or emailed to you so you can upload them. This creates a permanent, organized property record. When documentation is organized, you can prove maintenance, support warranty claims, strengthen insurance underwriting, avoid buyer skepticism, justify your asking price, and defend against disputes. Undocumented work creates doubt. Documented work creates value. Here's a simple script you can use. Part of this project includes providing all permits, inspection reports, material documentation, and warranties in digital format. I'll be storing everything in my Real Estate Ledger account. Professional contractors will not push back. Good ones expect this. If you're starting a project, or even in the middle of one, start documenting now. Create your Real Estate Ledger account, ask your contractor for digital documentation, forward everything in. Your home is your largest asset. Treat the paperwork like it matters, because it does. Thank you.